Today we'll learn some very cool features Windows Explorer has I bet you didn't know even existed. So with no further ado, let's get started. Let's start with a simple shortcut that can save you time every single day. Instead of opening Windows Explorer the old way, just press Windows plus E on your keyboard and Explorer opens instantly. It's one of those shortcuts that's easy to remember and surprisingly useful once it becomes a habit. Now that we have it opened up, let's start with one of my favorite features, tabs. If you've ever had several Explorer windows open at the same time, you'll love this feature. Modern versions of Windows support tabs, just like a web browser. You can keep multiple folders inside a single window and switch between them instantly, making your desktop much cleaner. You can even use these shortcuts to instantly create or close tabs. The next fabulous feature I really like is the gallery view. It gives you a much more convenient way to browse your pictures. Instead of opening folders one by one, your photos are displayed in a clean timeline, making it much easier to find the image you're looking for. If there's a folder you use every day, don't waste time searching for it. Simply pin it to quick access and it'll always be just one click away. It's a small change that can save you a surprising amount of time. Now let me demonstrate the quick access feature. If there's a folder you use every day, don't waste time searching for it. Simply pin it to quick access and it'll always be just one click away. It's a small change that can save you a surprising amount of time. You can also unpin the folders anytime. Now here's a feature many people overlook. The preview pane lets you view supported files like images and PDFs without opening them first. It's a quick way to check what's inside a file before you double-click it. Need more information about a file? The Details pane displays useful metadata, such as the file size, dimensions, creation date, and much more. It's especially handy when working with photos or documents. Now let me teach you how to conveniently copy a file path. If you've ever needed the exact location of a file, this trick is incredibly useful. Hold the Shift key while right-clicking a file, choose Copy as Path, and Windows copies its full location to your clipboard. It's perfect for sharing file locations or using Command Prompt and PowerShell. The next useful feature you must know is the item checkboxes. If selecting multiple files sometimes feels awkward, try enabling item checkboxes. A small checkbox appears next to each file, making it much easier to select exactly what you want without accidentally opening something. Now, did you know Windows Explorer has a breadcrumb navigation feature? Instead of pressing the back button over and over, you can use the navigation path at the top of File Explorer. Just click any folder name, and Windows instantly jumps back to that location. It's a simple feature that can save several clicks. And last, but not least, a feature you must know, right drag menu. Here's a trick that even experienced Windows users often miss. Try dragging a file with the right mouse button instead of the left. When you release it, Windows asks whether you want to move it, copy it, or create a shortcut. It's a quick way to avoid accidental file moves. And those were 10 useful File Explorer features that can help you work faster and more efficiently in Windows. If you discovered something new today, let me know in the comments which feature was your favorite. And if you'd like to learn even more hidden Windows tips and tricks, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch my next video where I demonstrate a Windows feature to make your copy and pasting much easier.